Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Pepperstone to TradingView in 2026. Now in order to do it, first of all you need to come here on pepperstone.com. Afterwards you just have to create your account here if you haven't already, or if you already have an account you just have to log in into it so that your connection would become very easy and smooth. Now once this step is done, you need to open TradingView in another tab. Then you need to log in into your TradingView account as well. Now over here, click on the option of products, then click on the option of super charts. Then what it is going to do is it is going to open the chart of any of the tickers in front of you. Now, when you do this, you are going to see this type of trade icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. So when you click on the trade icon, you will be shown the list of all of the brokers that you can link your TradingView account with. So among those, you just have to select Pepperstone, then click on the option of connect, and then you just have to simply approve the access. Now once you have done that, you are going to see the Pepperstone icon here on the top right hand corner, and you will see the Pepperstone icon in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now when you click on it, you are going to see whether it is your Pepperstone demo account or a live account, and here as well you will see the account balance, the margin, the free margin, and bunch of other information. So that's how basically you can connect your Pepperstone account to TradingView. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.